Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and in this episode, we're going to take you on a ride to Bryce Canyon National Park in Utah. If you've watched our channel in the past and subscribed, thank you. We really appreciate you being part of the Road Rush Nation. If this is your first visit to the channel, welcome, and we hope you join the nation and come along on some amazing adventures as we ride our Harleys on some great road trips. You will soon learn that I never just plan a basic trip. There's going to be something different to see and experience, like taking our bikes on a cruise ship and riding the islands, or when we went to a popular Harley movie location along Route 66. There's even the unique spot in Arizona that Harrison Ford just happened to visit the day after we left. We even stayed at a Harley-themed motel the night before we made this ride to Bryce Canyon. If you want to see what that unique place was like, there will be a link at the end of this video so you can check that one out. If you'd like to join our amazing Road Rush Nation subscribers and experience these awesome places, then give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing trips. So back to this ride to Bryce Canyon National Park. We took this trip over the July 4th week. There was a bit more traffic due to the holiday. So, if you plan on making a trip during that time, be patient and watch for those drivers who may not be paying attention. I would recommend that if you're planning a ride in the area to see Zion National Park also, that you break up the two parks and plan a day for each. You won't want to rush either park because there's just so much beauty to see there. The ride to get to either national park is amazing, as you can see. You don't get this beautiful scenery just anywhere. It even makes waiting for road construction not so bad. So let's talk a little bit about this area. This part of the country is packed with national parks that I'm sure many of you have put on your bucket list to visit. You have, of course, Bryce Canyon, Zion, and the granddaddy of all parks, the Grand Canyon. Let me share some advice if you're planning to visit all of these wonderful places. Get an annual national park pass. Let me explain why. The cost for just a motorcycle to each park is $30 for 7 days. That pass is only for that park. So if you plan on going to a few national parks during a year, it pays to get an annual pass. There are various annual passes that are available with different costs. There's a standard annual pass that's $80, a senior pass that for a lifetime is $80, an access pass for those with permanent disabilities is free. An active duty military pass, which is also free. Getting a pass will save you money. And it also makes it so that when you go through the gate, it's so much easier. You just show them their pass, show your ID, and you're on your way. So let's talk Bryce Canyon. Bryce Canyon National Park lies on the eastern edge of the Penobscot Plateau in south-central Utah. Bryce is famous for its unique geology. Erosion has shaped the colorful calcium-rich mudstone into bizarre shapes, including slot canyons, windows, fins, and spires called hoodoos. Tinted with colors too numerous and subtle to name, these whimsically arranged rocks create a wondrous landscape of mazes, offering some of the most exciting and memorable walks and hikes imaginable. As you're riding through the park, you're definitely going to want to stop, go to the overlooks, and see this beauty. The difference between riding through Bryce Canyon and Zion National Park is completely different. In Zion National Park, you'll feel like you're riding through the landscape. In Bryce Canyon, you're not really in the landscape. You need to stop, go to the overlooks, and see the beauties. You're not really in the canyon, so to speak. So it can be a little bit different than going through Zion. If you want to see what Zion National Park is like, we have a video on that experience too. It'll be in the upper corner. You can click on that link and check that video out. Bryce Canyon is amazing, and I recommend that you put it on your list of places to ride to on your Harley and experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.